So I'm going to give you a different perspective on recovery that'll hopefully ease your, disease about recovery. So a lot of times people will stress out about getting enough recovery, getting enough sleep, eating the right food, doing this, taking the right supplements, and it just becomes super overwhelming. And then they end up just like saying, screw it all. And just they don't focus on any aspect of recovery. And I want to reframe this idea of recovering from your workouts, recovering from fitness stuff, recovering from life as way more than just eating healthy and getting more sleep. Those are two very important things, although the main thing we're recovering from, and if we think about this from an exercise standpoint, you're putting some applied stress to your body. So you're stressing your body out. And to adapt and get better and get bigger, stronger, faster, you need to recover from it. And the way you recover is doing things that help to kind of de-stress or lower the stress that you put on your body. And again, this is just really generalized. There's obviously a lot more nuance, but anything you do that de-stresses your body, makes you feel good, puts you in a good mood, will help recover from that fitness session. So in addition to, the cryo baths and, getting enough sleep and getting some protein and some good carbs, fats, good nutrients, getting enough water, staying hydrated, in addition to all that stuff, watching a movie with family and friends is going to de-stress you, make you feel good and help recovery. Why? Well, you think about it, we're having some emotional connection with family and friends, assumingly we like. You're watching a movie, which unless you choose a horror film or something that's like a thriller, which is very stressful, don't do that if you're trying to recover. If you're watching like a comedy or like a feel-good or like a Disney movie, that is a perfect example of something that's literally for like 2 hours going to put you in a really good mood and help lower your stress and help you aid in recovery. Playing with your dog, going out and doing some gardening, maybe going and walking on the mall and like window shopping and like just doing things that really bring you in the present moment. And this is kind of a tangent, but it's almost like a form of meditation. Anything that puts you really, really in the present moment of what you're doing, makes you really engaged and enjoy it, but not in something that's really, really high stress. Obviously, you don't want to become in the present moment of doing your taxes for 3 straight hours. That's important, but besides the point of what we're talking about in this video. So just reframing recovery to anything that you can do or like to do that de-stresses you and makes you feel good. Some people, this might be knitting, some people might be journaling. It might be and would hopefully be getting a little bit of extra sleep. But if you can't get extra sleep, if you can't eat the best, and the best thing you can do for recovery is just spending some extra time with your family and friends on the weekends to de-stress, by all means, guys, don't stress about reducing the stress.